Hey yo guys, guess what? I'm back and I got another dope video for you guys. This time it is the Japanese hype beast extraordinaire Murakami. Now I gotta be honest with you, it ain't too big of an item because you know, some certain things going on right now, you know what I'm saying? But hey, guess what? Still Murakami. Let's get into it. And bam! There it is. I told you guys it wasn't much, but hey, got me some slack. It's my first Murakami. So let's get into this thing real quick. This is the flower pin. It's kind of weird because I don't know who's really gonna be walking around rocking this pin. Definitely not me, but it's gonna go in the collection. Another exclusive hype beast product to put on your shelf and be like, wow. So here it is, the classic multicolored rainbow going on. Like I said, guys, this is a quick little video, just trying to keep your mind distracted on what's going on out there, and that's about it. Alright y'all, thanks for watching, and peace!